Hello everyone, this is Tony Wong, the sales representative from Middle East and Africa team of Novastar. Today, it is my great pleasure to be here and have an interview with Mr. Deacon Lee, who is the experienced and one of the most popular technical engineers from our team. Hello Deacon.
Hi everyone, I'm Deacon from Novastar. Today, I'm coming to bring you the latest needs from my customers.
Deacon, so what kind of the difficulties did you face in the fixed installations and rental business?
Well, the most difficult thing is when the project is complicated. That means we have to use video processor, switcher, and controller. That means we have to use many cables and many devices. Even we have to use many software from different companies.
Okay, therefore for all engineers, you are painful with so many different kinds of devices. Sometimes I can guess you guys need to be working for a whole night.
Yeah, for sure. So that's the reason why I'm here to share the VX6S to you. It's the latest all-in-one video controller.
VX6S? Oh, good. What's that?
Well, the VX6S is an all-in-one video controller that integrates sending card functions with video processing. And it is designed with powerful video processing capability. That means with VX6S, now we are able to simplify all the complicated events and projects into one device.
Sounds really good. And what's the update on the VX6S as comparing to the traditional devices and methods?
Well, the VX6S supports 8 video inputs and 6 gigabit Ethernet outputs. It supports 2 3G SDI, 2 HDMI, 2 SDI, and 2 USB playback. Moreover, the VX6S supports 3.9 megapixels.
So, I think the VX6S has more input, more functions, and a larger loading capacity.
Well, correct. As a result, for the VX6S, the maximum height and width can be up to 4096. That means if you are processing LED pixel pitch 2.5 or smaller, this is also the scaling processor you need.
Great. But as you know, our customers are doing both the fixed installation and the rental business. And what do you think? And what's the idealized food for the VX6S usage?
Okay, my answer is yes and yes for the both. For the rental business, you will have the option for the all 8 video inputs. The OLED display shows you the status of 3 layers and whether the input are active. All the output connectors connected to your LED screen can be used as the main or backup. What's more, the VX6S also features a DVI out for preview. That means all of your presets show up in preview before you take them live to screen. The VX6S supports multiple transition effects such as quick seamless switching, speed in, fade out. Yes, and providing flexible display controlling and outstanding video presentation.
Fantastic. But as I mentioned, we still need to see is there any advantages, features on VX6S for the fixed installations.
Well, don't worry my friend, let me show you now. For the fixed project, it has a built-in media player. There is an extra player inside. And you just need to plug a pen driver into it, allows you to play videos and images. From the front panel, select the USB source, hold down the USB button and you will go to the USB interface. Yes, and use the knob, you can play, stop and switch the media inside.
Wonderful. I think I'm now convinced with those advanced features from VX6S. But I'm the one who's very good at memorizing points. As you have mentioned the word simplified, is there any simplification on the software side?
Yes, for sure. It's a user-friendly software and easy for you to control the VX6S. Includes editing the layers, switching the video source, and also set the presets. All the functions of the VX6S hardware is now available on the VCAN software.
Well done, Deacon. Now I think we are confident and are able to offer customers with the VX6S by its super simplified features.
Yes, that is VX6S. That's our motto, promoting the convenience by our technology.
This is VX6S. This is Novastar. Experience the best.